land on railroad with airplane mode glitch. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore this particular glitch. First of all, you would have to turn your airplane mode on your device, or you can just simply turn down your internet, whether Wi-Fi or mobile network on your device. After that, just simply copy notepad or the pen right in front of you so you can write down all your moves. So when you roll the dice, and you can check out or count the number of moves that your character has taken, just simply write it down and keep writing it down until you hit the railroad. And as soon as you hit the railroad, just simply close your application. Right when your character is in the middle, the old man is in the middle with the clouds, just simply close the application, uninstall the Monopoly Go, then turn on your internet and download Monopoly Go again and log into your account. After that, you would just know exactly how many moves your character will be moving, and this time it will be online. So just simply use all your strategies in order to have maximum gains from your moves. Just increase the multiplier whenever you feel like you will be landing on a better place. So this is how you would be able to do it. Right here you would have to close your application and uninstall it. So this is how you would be able to utilize this particular glitch. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.